How to get followers on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I am up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can get followers on Instagram. Follow these simple steps to increase your Instagram followers. For that, open your Instagram app on your mobile device and head to the home page. Click on that magnifying glass icon on the bottom of the screen. Here, use the search bar, type Instagram there to find the official page of Instagram. Once you reach the profile of this official Instagram page, here you will see follow button. Click on follow button, then again click on following to unfollow it. Repeat this process for 3 to 4 times. Go back to your home page, wait for a while. After a brief wait, you will notice a growth in your follower count. Tap the heart icon for notifications. You will see the followers here. So in this way you can get followers on Instagram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.